What's up, guys? JT over at Team FAS Motorsports, and today we're just going to show you quickly the location of the ECU for your Polaris Ranger XP1000. We get a lot of questions if you're not using a standalone tuner and you send out your ECU to get bench flashed from a company like Gilliman or Evo. They'll bench flash it, so you do have to take it out, send it in, and you get it back reinstalled. So a lot of people wonder where it is and stuff like that. We get that question a lot. So what you want to do here is you're going to go ahead and flip open the bed here. And right here in this location are your factory plugs. And the computer just goes on and bolts to this location. So this uses some T25 Torx head. So there's 4 bolts that just hold it in there. So you just unbolt it. You do have to unbolt it before you can take the plugs off. So that is something to keep in mind when you're putting it back into. Plug it in first, then bolt it back up. So super simple process, but that's where the location is. And hopefully I'll help some of you guys that have been looking underneath the dash and stuff like that. We kind of get that all the time. They are in different spots in different machines, but on the XP1000 Ranger, it is located here behind the cab underneath the bed. Yeah, so when you do install these, you want to have your lower plug done first, and then your upper plug, and then you can go ahead and bolt to the firewall. That's it. So once you put your 4 Torx in, you'll be all set. Machine will fire up, and you'll be good to go. Thanks again for watching.